Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Doordash unable to verify identity. So as you can see here on the screen, we are unable to identify your identity, and you only get a one option to contact support, right? In some case, you can just read the view FAQ, and in some case, you will see this reason that why you're not able to verify the identity. So to solve this error, you have to fix your information. Make sure that all personal information you provided, because as you can see here, we are unable to verify your identity with your ID and selfie. So the identity, the photo should be yours, of course, and it should match your face. Maybe there's a huge age gap, or there's a different name, email address, or phone number. In fact, the information is inaccurate to what you're providing and what is showing in the data in the ID, right? So use clear and legal documents. Ensure that the identification of document you uploaded, it's legal and it should be the authentic one. The third thing is update the DoorDash app and reinstall the app and install it once again. Avoid public devices. Make sure you use a single device which you use, that is a personal one, right? And the last one is a contact customer support, because the main reason is that they are not able to verify your identity because of the lack of information or not matching information. That could be the reason. But if you have added everything and you have checked it, then just contact the customer support. If you found this information really useful, subscribe.